Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice emoji. You can see that in this drawing I have just put a bigger circle which is drawn previously. Now I am going forward to depict some basic characteristics of the expressions. First, let's start from drawing the eye. So this is a smaller circle I have drawn right now. Around it you can draw a bigger circle. Just follow the steps, instructions and draw like me. Then we're going to put the eyebrow here, which is going to be look like this. On top of the both eyes, the eyebrow is little thicker and pointy lines to the both corners. All right, so two lines you can put here, and this is the bigger line which is upside down. The half circle looks like quite a bit, and this is going to be the mouth. And you can see as this is the winking stops, then you can see the tongue is coming out from the mouth. That's a different presentation you can see here. So this is almost done. I think you can follow the outlines here. Now these two parts, let's connect it with the tongue. So little bit space are left for the next improvement and completion of the details. All right, now we can use the marker to darken the whole things which is left white inside of the outlines. So the previous lines is just acting as a border for the drawing we're just doing right now. Let's fill up the eyeball here with a black color. Okay, and also this one, as you know, the left one is open and the right one is closed. So right one looks different. It's like a Nike shape but upside down. Also we're going to fill up the mouth here, you can see, with a complete black color which is very uniform. Now the drawing is becoming visible with a very nice shape. The next thing we're going to do is to put the color all around it, but before that let's make the tongue a red color. So we're starting the coloring here, just putting the red in this place. All right, okay, now we are going to fill up the whole place inside the circle, and let's start drawing from the left side, putting the whole amount of color which is very significantly uniform. You can see no other variations, only a single color is just providing for the whole surface. First we are going to put the colors on the left side, filling up all the vacant places which are left white during the drawing of the outlines. Then we are going to progress to the right side and fill it up the other parts over there. As you know, this is a bright green color. That's why the drawing is going to look more bright and more impressive. Definitely going to look nice. So you can see here, this is almost done. So only few spaces left on the right side for that drawing. All right. So the whole area is done, the tongue is done. Now we're going to put a little blue shape around the eyeball to make it a realistic one. That's what I'm doing right now, putting the blue shades. Just sit and watch. You can wait a little bit until the drawing is done. Then the complete expressions is going to be nicely visible in front of you. Alright, this is the drawing. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icon on to get the updates in our next drawings. Thank you so much. You can follow the playlist and browse through different categories. Lots of options and videos are available over there. And you can do practice. The more you practice, the more the drawing is going to be good. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay alive, stay nice, stay healthy. Thank you so much. Have a good day.